So really simple tutorial on how to do this. Basically turn any low quality image to a high quality cinematic masterpiece. And it doesn't have to be a meme. You can use yourself, you can use animals or any subject, any object. And first of all, I will show you how I'm doing this at scale. So the best platform in my opinion is Higgsfield.ai, and I will explain you why. First of all, here you can select all the best image models, and what you will do, you will select Nano Banana 2. This is the tool that I use to make these insane images. Then you can select any aspect ratio you want, select quality, and how many images. So the source is this prompt. I basically created this prompt by myself. There are many people on Instagram and or TikTok that have done this, but they use different prompts and these prompts look horrible. So you can also adjust the prompt. You can add some backlights, for example, blue backlight, or some light from the side. So the side is hitting with red or yellow or blue, or doesn't matter. You can adjust as you want. And the next thing, you will just upload an image. I will upload this one and write this prompt. And really important, I would recommend you to write 4K quality or just 4K like I have done right here, because then it will actually make a really high quality image. Then select how many. I will select 2 and generate. Now it will automatically generate me 2 images. Now on Higgsfield you can generate 4 at once, even 8 images at once. So yeah, you can do the same on Gemini. So here it is. I uploaded this Peter Parker Spider-Man image, low quality meme, and here is the same prompt. And the result is still really high quality. The only thing is that you will get this watermark on Higgsfield. You will not get any watermarks, as you can see. And when you make the image, you can also go directly to Kling 3.0. You know how to switch platforms. You just go to Kling and you can generate videos from all of these celebrities. There are no restrictions. And here you can see after a few minutes, the image is done. As you can see, this is like horrible image, but after you are done, this is the result. I mean, the face is identical, but the quality is like 10 times better. Here as well, you can see all the pores because that's what the prompt says. So you can see all the facial details. So yeah, that's basically the whole tutorial. I hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching.